Okay, question number 22 from the SAT series is from surface areas and volumes. A right circular cylinder has a base diameter of 22 centimeter. So cylinder is a 3D figure, and if you see its base, it's a circle, right? So this is the base of the cylinder, which is a circle. It has a base diameter of 22 centimeters. So if diameter is 22 centimeter, radius is just half of it. So radius is equal to 22 by 2 is equal to 11 centimeter. And height of 6 centimeter. So that is the height of the cylinder, which is 6 centimeter. What is the volume in cubic centimeter of the cylinder? Okay, we have to find the volume. So volume is equal to, volume of the cylinder is equal to pi r squared h. We have to just plug in the values. Pi, see, our options are giving you pi itself. So we do not need to put the value of pi, which is 22 by 7 or 3.14, because our options in pi itself. So we will be leaving pi as it is. Now r is 11. So that is 11 squared, and height is h. So that means we have to multiply 11 with 11 and then with 6. And if you multiply all of these, that will be 726 pi. Now because this is a volume, and volume is always in cubic units, and the measurements of the cylinder are given in centimeters, so unit of the volume is centimeter cube. Now it is already given in question volume in cubic centimeters. So that is why we are not writing centimeter cube over here, because it's given itself here itself. So our answer is 726 pi. So that means C is the right option. Correct?